Alright, everybody, just showing the automatic parking assistant in a controlled and safe environment. The back parking lot at BMW of Corpus Christi, showing you some of the cool new features with Chris Conley behind the wheel.
Hello, hello.
And Chris, we're on the new iDrive system here, right? So
And
go ahead.
We have identified a parking space. We just pulled by it and the vehicle recognized it. It shows this little P here. We're just gonna touch it and we're gonna say okay. And I am hands off the wheel, hands off the brake. I am doing nothing at this point. Nothing at all. I'm not going into drive. I'm not going into reverse or anything.
Completely automated.
I'm gonna take a nap.
It is recommended to not take a nap. There we have it. Like a glove. All done, complete, parked, and we can get out. Done.